Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I am the Gaming Rooster here, and today we are playing PUBG Mobile, as you can see in the title. PUBG points. Big butt. I don't know, okay. I have not been playing lately, just to let you guys know. So, no more monkey. Oh, that's cute. I got no pants on my butt. Okay, I have crates. Wait, what? Oh, that looks so cool. I want that. That would look so sick. Okay. What is this one? 700. I'm buying it. Just to see what I get. Okay, here we go. I got a long sleeve shirt. Okay, whatever. Guns? Wait, what is this? Oh, it's a special gun that you can mainly find. Hey, I'm a noob at PUBG because I don't play it that often, okay? Oh, that looks so cool. Okay. Anyway, let's get right back into the game. I do not. I want to do solo. Classic anime. Wait, what? Royal Pass. I don't care about that so much. No, please. Oh. So this is like legit copying. Fortnite is legit copying this. This is so awkward. Not awkward. Wait, what is this? The helicopter energy drink finish. Rename car. 2x2. Oh, that's really nice. I really want the stuff. I want like the battle pass. So then, yeah. Wait, what is this? Oh, a laugh. Oh, dang it, I don't have any of these. Oh, dang it. So those are like V-Bucks. Okay, let's go. I want solo. Selected random, yeah. I hope that I go to Marmar, or whatever it is. No. Hopefully that's been recording. Please. I do not know if that was recording. Whatever. Anyways, okay, so I don't really care. Okay. Wait, I don't know if I'm even. Okay, here, wait, let me turn off this. The speaker. Wait, how do, this is the wave. How do I go, third person? Okay. So, I'm coming in this way. Ooh, wait, what is this? Yeah, they're all in here, so what? Why should I care? Okay, I'm gonna go to... No, I don't want to go there. I'm gonna go to... You know what, screw it. I'm just gonna go to wherever I go. I'm gonna jump. I'm gonna go to that corner area, right down there, so... I might land in the water. Hope for the best. I don't, and yeah. North. Okay, so... My plan is to get 17 kills. Well, no, 10 kills with no, I want to get sniper rifle, and 10 kills with any of my guns. Oh shoot, yeah, no, I didn't make it. People probably spotted me. I'm gonna hide underwater more. I'm not pressing any buttons because it automatically does it for me. Yeah, let me go down. I want to see how long you can, okay, here we go. Okay, now I heard, like, footsteps. Let me turn up the volume. Yeah, there we go. Here, right now, that's not the volume. Media. Okay, here we go. Now I can hear it better. I'm not wearing headphones like I usually do. I mean, I never use headphones whenever I record. Taking all this. Ooh, okay, so I'm taking the pistol, the stun grenade, and the magazine. Picnic table, why would there be a frag grenade right over here? Wait. Is it really stupid? I'm trying to get the perfect shot. How did I not hit that? Okay, whatever. I gotta say that the pistol is better. One, it's... I don't want any of that stuff. Yeah, I'll take the Vector. Dude, the Vector is so good. For a second, I thought I seen somebody. Yes, okay, ooh, red laser. Open! I keep on pressing open, it's not opening. Okay, jump. Wait, I'm switching out my guns just to make sure. Okay, here we go. Sorry if I've been really quiet. I'm really trying to get a kill here. So usually people are driving around in the cars. I'm gonna be smart and run people over, but first I gotta pick up this medkit and this vest. Wait. Boom. How did I not hear that boom? Wow, okay. That's sad. I didn't get to hear the boom. Shaka ducka shaka boom. Is there loot crates in PUBG? I think so. That's really cool. Okay. So, right now, if you look on the map, I'm at like this area. Don't know where I am. Morning redstone has started. I'm nowhere near it, but I'm going towards it to get the kills because they're going to evacuate and be like, oh no, the storm is coming. This person has very poor shooting. Where is it? Okay, down at the road. Come on, I was just over here, man. You really want to make me come out here? See one? Dang it, he's... Yeah, I got one kill. With Big Boy Vector, okay, please be pants. Oh, I can't take anymore. Where is he? Behind me. He's coming up behind me? Where? They blend in so well. I'm being shot at from all different angles. I gotta heal. If it means taking damage, I'll do it. Where is he? Honestly, I'm lagging out so bad. Headshot. 2 kills. Okay, now I can med up. I got my first aid kit going on here. Hopefully, taking painkillers. That's gonna give me a shield potion. No, never mind, not shield, but okay, here, and then 2 kills. That was scary. And I mean that. That was like, oh gosh. Because I didn't, what do you expect? They're coming at you, and then there's 2v1. Like, if I was them, I would have teamed up on me. And then, but I still got both of their kills. Okay. Guys, remember when I said I want to get a sniper? I have one. So, this will be good. My phone is glitching out so bad at the moment. Nope, no one's going there. Hopefully. Because if someone comes in here and starts killing me, I'm gonna be kind of scared. What do you guys prefer? I forgot what the game is called. Jurassic World game or this? Well, my friend is against the Jurassic World game, says he loves dinosaurs, and I really don't care about them at all. Okay. Red zone. Oh, dang it. I was going that way until I found this area, so I want to go towards the red zone for some reason. 2 kills, 74 people left. The same person got killed twice. Trying to look all over. Is anybody? Nope. Somebody has to be over here. I cannot think about what will happen if, like, oh, if I don't clear out this area, there has to be someone in here. At least 2 people. There has to be. I'm telling you. And if there isn't, well, oops, I just wasted my time. Someone's running. Ooh, supply drop. Coming in hot. Where is it? Where's it coming? I really want the supply drop. Even though everybody camps. I knew it, guys. Oops. I don't even know where the shots are coming from. North? Oh, over there. Yeah, you don't want to stay still. Only I can, since I'm better than you. Okay, here we go. I'll take the bullet loops. And I'll take... Yeah, okay, nothing else. Shoot, I'm being shot at from where? Oh, shoot. I have no clue where he is. I'm gonna switch out like him. You don't hide on the ground. People, come on. Use your head, be smart. Okay, now we can reload with that. I need this energy drink. And I'll take these painkillers. 4 kills out of 10. 60 people alive. I'm probably gonna get shot at more than I want to be. Okay, so we're... Ooh, I gotta go all the way to the military base area. I have no clue what. I'm going back here for a reason. I know that somebody's gonna be here, you know? Ooh, where's the red zone? Because I just want to make sure that I'm not in it. It's always been at that Penzlowski place. Oh, the place one is over there. Whew. I'm just really surprised that I lived that. Stock, I don't need that. Stocks don't help out. At least I think. What is that? Okay, car. I'm taking the car. My phone is so glitching out, guys. I'm so sorry. Like a helicopter. You guys hear that? I hear a helicopter. So right now I have my fist out. Okay, tractor won't be helpful. I mean, this truck will. So let's get inside. Can you not drive this? What? Why can I not drive this? You guys seen what I was doing there, right? When I was... Oh. Gunshots behind me. Oh, that snipe, that snipe, that snipe. Hill? Trying to go towards the shots. Fool. Where is he? My phone's at 15%, guys. I can't just leave this. Oh shoot, where did he go now? Bro, I'm gonna come at him. I'm gonna come at this guy. Where? Nice. Okay, guys, that's a really good kill. My phone's at 15%. Just don't make. Okay, and my favorite gun is getting reloaded. And then what about this guy's kill? I could have had 6 kills. Okay, here. What's in here? Okay, I not get it. So first I kill him with my. Well, I didn't really kill him with my fist. Just. Whatever. I'll take this energy drink. Okay, so that storm thing, whatever it is, I gotta get in. 34 people alive. No, 33 people alive, including me. Whew. That was a close call, guys. I'm by the red zone. I was just in the red zone. People? Yep, people. Okay. I'm going out to the road to get this car. If I die from where's the play zone? Oh, that's all the way to the Shiviak military base. Don't know what it's called. I don't. Can you not drive this one? Drive. I want to go where it says play zone. I want to go to the place where it says play zone just so I can, like, go and stay safe. Oh, shoot. These cars are really hard to control when you're on your phone. Oof. So lags. So much lag. Lag. What? Okay. Looks like I'm running over the fast car. Okay, guys, I'm almost to the base. I'm actually at the military base. Ooh, and there's a loot crate. I see him. Guys, don't worry, I got him. How do you get out? Yeah, I have 8 kills. So this guy was shooting at something. But what? I feel so stupid. Okay, so the airplane zone is all the way. No way, I know where I'm at. Don't worry, guys, I know where I'm at. How long has I been recording? 24 minutes, guys. Yeah, I know this is a long video. Hope you guys are enjoying it. Leave a like and subscribe. Shoot, where is everybody? What's my health at? Here, I'm gonna take these painkillers, and then I'm gonna take my energy drinks, and then I should be all fine. Energy drink. Okay, energy. And drink it. Good, I'm fine. So that's like basically a shield pot. I was gonna say, can I not jump this fence? So this is where all the planes crash, and I'm going for that. You guys see the purple area? That's what I'm going for. If that purple smoke goes away, that means someone already looted it. I'm gonna puppy guard it and be like, you ain't getting that. That's my loot. Like, I'm gonna wait for everybody else to show out their hiding spots. Because this is wide open. I know that people are gonna come for it. Like this one right here. Yeah. See, like, they're not that good, but I got a nice helmet that gives me extra. 11 people, 6 kills. Let's go. God, I think this is the best game of PUBG I ever played. Wait, no. No, you guys can't be. They can't be. They can't be. They already took it. That's okay, so someone took this loot crate thing. Let me see who did. So someone should be over here. Yep, it's up here. Sorry, guys. Oh, that is my little brother. I really don't. I'm sorry. Okay, so loot is right here. But my question is, did anyone get it? Ooh, I want the ×8 scope. And that. I'm not gonna take the main gun. No, he's coming. He's right there. He's right there. Guys, I can't see. Guys, I'm not even aiming. How's that not a hit? Okay, I'm gonna... Where? Behind me? Guys, I don't even know what's going on here. Okay, I have 8 kills. Oh shoot, I need this. What does he have? Bandages? Okay, good. Hi buddy, how you doing? Shoot, buddy. What are you doing? What you doing, buddy? What you doing? What you trying to do? Trying to kill me? Cause that's not gonna work. 6 people left, 9 kills. Whatever I need ammo. Retro vet. Take this. I'll take the tiny, nah, I'm just gonna, oh shoot. Oh shoot. Where? I swear, how bad is this person? 9 kills, guys. Better be. He's coming after me. 11 kills, guys. I need to heal. I need to heal. I need to heal. Oh my gosh. No way. No way, guys. I need to heal so bad. Whew. I have 11 kills. I might actually get a winner chicken dinner. No way. Oh, my phone. No. Phone, please don't turn off. Where's my charger? I'm actually gonna go down, charge it, and play. Hopefully this doesn't do anything to affect it. So you guys just wait. Let me. Okay, it's charging. It's charging. Oh my god. I'm like actually freaking out. But it's like when you get a victory royale, you don't expect it. It's like, how does that happen? Oh, 3 people left. No, 2 people actually. I hate the people that crouch like that. So why did I do it? I gotta switch my gun. Someone's hiding in here. You have to hide in here. Hide, please. Please tell me.